This is a service elevator at 1600 Valley Road, Wayne, New Jersey. This one also got modded with this weird custom monitor, whatever. This has a lower capacity than the passengers. All right. Let's go to 4. On 4. It's going to ground. Look at that bar button. Lights are not lighting up, but it's incandescent. That's cool. Alright, here we go now. Not gonna miss the button going out this time. Here's a cab. Looks like a service elevator cab. Even behind the pads. Door close does not work. Has an extended door timer. There are your custom monitor fixtures. Love that custom bar button for ground. The chime actually rang this time. Nice. It's like a Dover lantern, but look at that bar button. That is so cool. Yeah, it looks like a Dover lantern. Yeah, there's 2 of them. I did not see that. Yeah, elevator 3. Pretty cool. There it goes. That'll be it.